How's it going, everyone? It's David here, and I've made it to Knott's Berry Farm, the other amusement park here in Orange County, California. This is regarded to be one of the first theme parks in America, and I'm really excited to go in here and check it out. So let's go in and try to have some fun.
Those are actual authentic gold.
Yeah.
Okay, started my Knott's Berry Farm day riding Ghost Rider, this CCI wind coaster, refurbished by GCI not too long ago. Oh boy, color me impressed on that. I got a front row ride on that, and that was wild. The layout was fantastic. A lot of airtime, a lot of laterals. I thought it was pretty smooth for the most part. It's a long ride too, so I can definitely see where people are coming with that as being one of the nation's best wooden coasters. I can't say it's my favorite wood coaster, but it might be up there. It's a really good ride. It might be my favorite coaster of the trip so far. Just rode the Timber Mountain log flume. That might be the best log flume I have ever been on. That was Disney level theming and animatronics in there. It was awesome. You got a little wet, but not too much, enough to cool you down. Again, the theming was impeccable. It was a very long ride. So far, this log flume is worth the price of admission. It was awesome. I might want to try to do that again later.
Y'all can't be too careful in this here mine, folks. Remember, one stray spark and we'll all get lost into Kingdom Come.
Say, where's that lantern? Hey, driver, let's have a little light, huh? Glowing formations like these stalagmites and stalactites. The charges, it's too late. They're ready to go.
Alrighty folks, please remain seated till the train comes to a full link up, please stop. Then you may lose the little wooden seat by the door and I'll be around to unlock the doors for you.
Had to do another run on the Timber Mountain log flume, and fantastic again. We also rode the Calico mine train, and that is as old school as you can get. I love that. Again, it felt like a Disney attraction with the lush theming and all the animatronics. Oh, my two favorite things here so far.
I can't do it. Everybody's looking at me. I'm gonna go home.
Wait, hold up. You already said all right. It's all right. It's all right. You got this. Get it. Come on, partner.
Everybody, put your hands in your hair.
Okay, I was wrong. Partner, no, his hands in the air.
I got nervous.
It's all right. It's okay. Just give her another go. You got it.
This here is a stink up.
Stink up.
Yes.
Hold up. It's not a stink up. You mind if I show you real quick?
Yeah, show me.
All right, this here's a stink up. Everybody, hands in the air. Get them up.
Louie, put your arms down.
Oh, wait, put them down. Wait, no. No,
I'm
she was right.
supposed to
Put
stink
them
up. I told
stinkers
you.
down. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Look, it's my cousin's first time robbing the train. Just have a little patience, all right? You got this, partner. You got
Okay,
this.
I want everybody to reach for this guy. Reach for this particular guy right here.
No, partner, you mean reach for the sky. All right? The sky.
That makes more sense.
I bet it
Can I
does.
just have your money?
What? You just asking for money?
Yeah.
Partner, come on. Look, at the least you gotta demand the moolah. Come on.
I can do that. Okay, hey, I demand that you do the hula.
The
He's
who?
doing it. It's working.
No, partner, don't encourage her. No, come on, we done messed this up. We gotta hustle out of here. I'm so dearly sorry, folks.
Just rode the Calico River Rapids, another fun and well-themed water ride here at Knott's Berry Farm. Really enjoyed it. Again, it's almost near Disney level. A lot of animatronics along the way. The course was a lot of fun, and you got wet, but not too much. So it was definitely refreshing on this hot day. Oh, another highlight of this park. Just rode the Pony Express. Very short ride, but it was pretty fun. It was also very pretty looking.
I can hardly bear it. Now, time's a ticking, so let's help my family ready for the fair by collecting fairy hides. Every bear is working hard. Hey, boss off that eye! Plastic Coyote is after it, and he's rallying his pups too. Better follow those pups and get our pies back. Keep collecting those pies. Oh boy, I've got the jitters.
Just got off of Knott's Berry Tales, the fairly new dark ride, and that was very much like Toy Story Mania. It was a lot of fun. It was really cute, and I love that it was an original idea, not based on a pre-existing IP. It was good fun, especially for the little kids. I'm in the gift shop for it now, and if you look right behind me, that is a ride vehicle for the Wacky Soapbox Racers that used to be here. So that's pretty cool. Just got off of Hangtime, and it's a very appropriate name for this ride. I actually, for the most part, kind of liked it. I did like the layout on it. Provided a lot of hang time on those inversions, and there was actually some surprising moments of ejector airtime. I just wish the restraint was a bit more comfortable and that it rode on the track a bit smoother. But I think the ride is decent. It's pretty good.
Don't change that channel. It's Smooth Channel. That's a baby right here.
traffic and weather.
Well, we spin all your favorite rock and roll hits.
It's Knott Radio. But before we get to jamming, how about a word from our sponsor?
Our sponsor this half hour is Whiskey Bright. That's toothpaste that packs a punch.
To the south, you will see Hangtime, which takes riders up a 15-story lift hill and suspends them at the top before descending down a 96-degree drop. To the east, you will see many sites within our ghost town, Fiesta Village, and Camp Snoopy areas. That mountain range, for instance, is our Timber Mountain Log Ride. It was the first themed log flume ride when it opened in 1969 and remains to this day one of our most popular attractions. Just beyond those tall pine trees is where you'll be able to set up camp with the Peanuts Gang. Camp Snoopy, which opened in 1983, was the first theme park area that was dedicated to children under 12 years of age. In the distance, you can see an ancient Aztec temple, which is our Jaguar attraction, a family roller coaster that sends passengers on an exciting tour around Fiesta Village, through the loop of Montezuma's Revenge, and around.
So right here is Accelerator. Unfortunately, it will be closed on my visit, but it looks like they just repainted this. It has a couple different tones on it. I wasn't sure about this when I saw it in pictures, but it actually looks really nice in person. But who knows about the future of this ride? Same thing with Dragster at Cedar Point. On paper, Jaguar may not look like a really exciting roller coaster, and it isn't. It is definitely a family ride. I really liked it though, because it was just giving you like a grand tour of Knott's Berry Farm, going in and around all the buildings and the rides. It was really nice. So here is a very sad sight to see: a closed Montezuma's Revenge. In fact, a lot of the ride has already been removed, including its iconic loop. This was a Schwarzkopf shuttle loop similar to the laser loop. It was the last one of its kind in North America. And just this year, they closed it down. And they are going to be updating it with a magnetic launch and new trains. Apparently it's gonna have a new theme to it as well. At least some of the ride will remain, but in its original condition, no more. Yeah, you can see right there, there's no track right there. So a little bit disappointed to see. So as a pleasant surprise, I barely fit on the Timberline Twister Kiddie Coaster, but I made it. If you are a coaster enthusiast, just be aware that if you are under 69 inches, you can ride. I'm warning you, it is a tight fit. I almost didn't make it. And as for the kiddie coaster, it's a Bradley & Kay. very, very janky. But that's a pretty rare credit, so I'm glad I got that. Just rode Sierra Sidewinder, and that was one of the biggest surprises of the trip so far. That is definitely not a kiddie coaster, even though it's here in Camp Snoopy. That was really intense and a lot of spinning action. Cool, wow, that was a wild ride. So this is Silver Bullet, and I know some enthusiasts give some crap about this ride, and as you can see behind me, that first drop, pretty shallow. However, the rest of the ride, completely different story. It was very smooth. It was very intense. I loved the interaction going around Ghost Town and the Midway and over the water. I was really impressed with Silver Bullet. That might be my second favorite coaster here after Ghost Rider. Oh, this was a lot of fun.
I see one piece down there. What? Oh, you got two pieces actually. Two pieces. Not too bad. Not too bad. So you're leaving with two pieces.
I see that. Awesome.
No, I'm just kidding. We want to be home too. We gotta get. Let's see what you got now.
Oh, I see some right there.
I see some sand too. Oh, you mean the gold? That's right.
There you go. That's it. I like it.
There's some gold.
There we go. Winner, winner, Mrs. Knott's chicken dinner.
Nice.
Did you want to get a picture with your goal today?
Yeah, why don't we do that?
Roll the hands real close to your face.
Hold on.
Mi negra que la quiero ver aquí con su rebozo de seda que le traje de tequila. Cuando me presta mi negra que la quiero ver aquí con su rebozo de seda que le traje de tequila.
Well, we're ending our Knott's Berry Farm day. The night ride on Ghost Rider. Dad, what'd you think of that?
That was amazing. I'm still
my goodness gracious, did that shoot up in my rankings.
Yeah.
That is absolutely a night ride.
It's definitely in top 10 right now.
That thing is a wild beast. Oh man, that's phenomenal. And that's gonna do it here from Knott's Berry Farm. Color me impressed. I had a great day here at Knott's Berry Farm. This might have jumped up into one of my favorite theme parks I've been to. Definitely one of the better Cedar Fair parks. There's so much history, there's so much character there. Real highlights here in terms of roller coasters, I loved Ghost Rider, and I also really enjoyed Silver Bullet. But the two best rides here by far are the Calico Mine Ride and the Timber Mountain Log Ride. Oh my goodness, I felt like those were worth the price of admission. Oh my goodness. Again, with all the live actors here, the authentic ghost town, some really good food here. This place really has it all, I think. The only nitpick I would have is that they have fairly slow operations. It's not quite to the standard of, say, like Disney or other Cedar Fair parks, like Cedar Point and Kings Island, but not too bad. But yeah, if you're down here in the Orange County in the Buena Park area, definitely don't miss this out. Disney's great, I love it, but definitely try to incorporate Knott's into it. It's definitely well worth your visit. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more content. And with that being said, thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.